Living in busy Hong Kong, it can be a challenge to know where and how to volunteer. I was inspired to join HandsOn, an organization that empowers everyone in Hong Kong to volunteer and makes it easy to give back in a meaningful way to those in need. During COVID-19, to help meet vulnerable people's immediate needs, we provided care. Hong Kong has struggled this past year. Now, we have the opportunity to unite in service. People are supporting one another, whether it's by volunteering with HandsOn or just helping out a neighbor or someone on the street. That's the spirit of Hong Kong.